If you've ever needed to find an old meeting, appointment, or reminder, Google Calendar makes it surprisingly easy to search through past events. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to search Google Calendar for past events step by step, so you can quickly locate anything you scheduled before without scrolling through endless dates. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser or app and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look toward the top of the screen and find the search icon. This is the fastest way to look through your calendar history. Go ahead and click that search icon. A search box will appear where you can type in the name of the event, a keyword from the title, or even other details you remember, like a meeting topic, a person's name, or part of a location. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to find the exact event you need. For example, you could search for a project name, a doctor's appointment, a team meeting, or even a reminder from months ago. After typing your search term, press enter on your keyboard. Google Calendar will instantly scan your calendar and show you matching events. This is where the search feature really saves time, especially if you have a busy schedule or a calendar with years of history. Now take a look through the results and find the event you want. When you click on that event, Google Calendar will open the full event details, including the date, time, notes, guests, and any links or attachments that were added. That makes it easy to confirm you found the right one and review any information you need. If the results are too broad, try searching again with a more specific word or phrase. You can also use different details from the event to narrow things down, like the organizer's name or a unique term from the title. Once you get comfortable with calendar search, it becomes one of the quickest ways to look up old events without wasting time manually browsing through months or years of entries. So just to recap, open Google Calendar, click the search icon, type the event name or keyword, press enter, and then click the event to view its details. And that's it. You now know how to search Google Calendar for past events in just a few seconds. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more productivity tips and simple tech walkthroughs.